Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. If your GameSir G7 Pro refuses to connect to its wireless dongle, you may be unable to use the controller even though both devices appear to have power. Pairing failures can happen because of synchronization issues, outdated firmware, USB connection problems, or temporary communication interruptions between the GameSir G7 Pro and the dongle. Fortunately, these types of problems are often easy to resolve with a few simple checks. In this video, I'll walk you through several troubleshooting steps that can help restore the connection between your GameSir G7 Pro and its wireless dongle. Try these. Step 1. Verify that the GameSir G7 Pro dongle is firmly inserted into the device. Step 2. Confirm that the GameSir G7 Pro has enough battery power before pairing. Step 3. Restart both the GameSir G7 Pro and the wireless dongle. Step 4. Place the GameSir G7 Pro into pairing mode to reconnect with the dongle. Step 5. Check for firmware updates related to the GameSir G7 Pro and its dongle. Step 6. Test the GameSir G7 Pro again and verify that the dongle connection is restored.